In the role of cloud operations, one way or another, you have to troubleshoot network at one time or another. Nmap and Netcat are two of the must-have tools for that matter. In this video, we are going to see a quick and simple difference between these two very useful commands. So Nmap stands for network mapper, whereas Netcat stands for network categorization. Nmap or Network Mapper is a free open source tool designed for network discovery and security auditing. It is also called as a Swiss Army knife for network administrators, providing a range of features to explore and secure their network. For example, if you want to scan and discover which ports are open or which ports are not open on a remote server myserver.test.com, you can simply run nmap-v and then myserver.test.com. You can even specify the IP address. -v is not mandatory, but we use it to produce more detailed output. On the other hand, Netcat is a networking utility that reads and writes data across network connections. It's a versatile tool capable of opening TCP connections, sending UDP packets, listening on arbitrary TCP and UDP ports, and much more. For example, you can use net command to see if the port 1521 is listening and open on this machine or not. So NC is for netcat, and then L is to listen, and -v is for the detailed output of this command. When we run this command on any server, we can see that what incoming connections are being accepted or denied on this machine on port 1521. As you know, networking troubleshooting is very hard. So when it comes to network security, you have to have exact tools for the right job. Nmap and Netcat are the tools that really make your life easy. Nmap scans networks, identifying hosts, services, and potential vulnerabilities. This information is crucial in pinpointing weak spots that could be exploited by attackers. Netcat, with its ability to read and write data across network connections, is a powerful tool for network troubleshooting and exploration. It can also be used to check if a service is up and running, debug network connections, and even set up simple network services. I hope that this was useful. If you have any feedback, please put in the comment section. Thank you.